All right, we're just keeping on our little Ferrari theme for this video. 1968 Ferrari 330 GTC, serial number 10761, and it's a V12 5-speed, one of only 600 built. Now this is a typical Ferrari, red outside, black inside. I like that. So, beautiful car, beautiful car. And then of course we have your standard Ferrari right here. This is what a lot of people think of when they think of Ferrari. In my generation, 1984 Ferrari 512, 4.9 liter flat 12, one of 1,007 produced. But this to me is what my generation thinks of when you think of Ferrari. It's even got wide body on the back there a little bit, and a camel interior, nice and red camel interior. And here's a 328 GTS. 1987 Ferrari 328 GTS, 3.2 liter V8 5-speed. These are what people my age think of when we think of Ferraris, I think. Beautiful cars. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. We have a couple Ferraris from the Dark Horse collection here. 1973 Ferrari 365 GTB Ford Daytona, one of 30, original finished in the Nero, only 15,000 miles, serial number 16961.
At 200 miles an hour, the pressure of winning or losing this time, explaining it to someone else makes it even tougher.
Next, a 1972 Ferrari 365 GTS Ford Daytona Spider, one of only 122 produced, serial number 4813. And here we have a 1992 Ferrari F40 twin turbocharged 2936cc V8 5-speed.
In the spring of 1970, Standard Queen is coming off a very impressive second-place finish at the 12 Hours of Sebring, but the wheels were already in motion for him to make a movie about the ultimate endurance race, the 24 Hours of Le Mans.
We also have a Ford GT with the Gulf livery, 2006 Ford GT Heritage Edition, supercharged, one of only 343 produced. Oh, you're already in it? Thanks. 1963 Ferrari 250 GT Lusso, serial number 4595, one of 350 produced. Beautiful car, good driving car. I am going to piss off a lot of you guys that like Ferraris though, and it kind of reminds me of a Chevy Vega. I'm sorry, but it kind of does. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.